Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this particular video I'm going to be teaching you how to identify and trade a support and a resistance in the market. Not only that, we're going to be identifying area of liquidity in the market, a double top and also a double bottom in the market. Guys, this particular video is full of information that if you really want to learn this particular information, you're going to pay a couple of dollars to learn an in-depth information right here. That's the reasons why I will advise you to watch this video to the end. That will really help you to understand how to analyze the market and also how to remain profitable. I often advise my students that indicators alone will never help you remain profitable, though you can actually make money this week and next week you can lose the money. But the best way for you to remain more profitable in the market is for you to understand how the market works, and that is what we're going to be doing in this particular video. This particular video was motivated by one of my subscribers who actually suggested I made video on technical analysis, though I'm also going to be making more videos about technical analysis in the future uploads, but this particular video will really help you stand out as a profitable trader in the market, right? So guys, this particular video we're going to be learning support and resistance, as I've said initially. But by the way, what is support and a resistance in the market? Support and resistance is pretty much simple. Situation whereby the market is being resisted from going further, while support level is a situation whereby the market is being supported at a particular point, allowing the market to go down further. For you to better understand it, let me actually draw it out for you. The situation whereby the market actually moves like this, and suddenly the market moves back to this particular zone. So this particular zone has actually supported the market from going downward. I hope you're getting it right. So when the market comes back to this particular zone again, and suddenly the market rejected back to this particular level is known as the resistance level. That means it resists the market from going further, while this area is called the support level, supporting the market from going downward. And also when the market continues this particular movement, that is when we call it a support and a resistance level. This is how you can be able to identify a support level and a resistance level in the market. And how you can trade it is pretty much simple, guys. The first thing you need to note is that you must be able to see a movement of the market being rejected at a particular point, probably in the resistance level, and when the market comes back to a particular point which is in the support level, so the market continues to move back to the resistance level, you are definitely going to be looking for a reversal candlestick patterns. Once you're able to identify that, then you can actually enter the market down to the resistance level. And when the market is rejecting from the resistance level back to the support level, you also need to identify the reversal candlestick patterns. Then when you're able to identify that, then you can actually trade the market back to the support level. So that is how you're going to trade the market till there is a change of character. I hope you're getting it right. So these are just a bit of things you really need to know, but most of the times a lot of people do not know the difference between a support and a resistance, and also double top and double bottom. In the case of a double top, this is what the market does. The market often moves like this, and suddenly the market moves down like this, and the market reverses back to this particular zone, and before you know, the market comes back like this. So at this particular level we call it a double top. So when the market is forming an M in the market, we call it a double top. So situation how you can trade this is pretty much simple. You must be able to identify a reversal candlestick pattern as well, then you can enter a trade down to the support zone. In the case of a double bottom, the market often comes just like this. It actually goes up, reverses back to this particular zone right here, and before you know, the market moves back to the resistance level. So how you can be able to trade it is also pretty much simple. You also need to identify reversal candlestick patterns. Once you are able to identify that, you can actually enter the market right here and trade it down to the resistance level. I hope you're getting it right. So this is just the basic thing you need to know about support, resistance, double top and double bottom, and area of liquidity. We're going to talk about that why we enter a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I advise you to watch this video to the end. This will really help you to remain profitable in the market, and if there's anywhere you are being stocked out, you can actually rewatch this particular video, because I'm going to try my best to make it more simple. And if you can't navigate that, you can actually let us know in the comment section, or you can actually DM me. The link is in the description. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market right away to find an opportunity, and when I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you find a very good opportunity right at this particular level. Right here you can see we have a rejection right here. This is a support zone right at this particular level. Let's actually enter for a buy trade opportunity right at this particular level, guys. it's a very good indication for us to enter a trade. So the first thing we observe right here is the rejection of the market at this particular point. Let me actually draw it out for you guys. If you could see right here, you can see right at this particular level, the market is actually in a support zone right here. The first thing we saw is that the market actually rejects from a support zone down to this particular level. What next do we see? We saw the market bounce back to this particular zone. And what we're expecting the market to do is to reverse back to this particular zone right at this particular level. I hope you're getting it right. So right here we have a support level. So right here we have a resistance level, guys. Before the market will actually change character, we expect the market to reject from this resistance level. I hope you're getting it right. So far we expect the market to move up to this particular zone, guys. So the next thing we also saw is the engulfment of this particular candlestick. This is actually bullish engulfing candlestick. These two candlestick engulfed this bearish candlestick. That is also a very good confirmation for us to actually enter a buy trade. I hope you're getting it right. This particular strategy, you can actually trade it with 3 minutes, with 5 minutes. It all depends on the one that actually works for you guys. But for me, I don't want this particular video to be too long. That's the reasons why I'm using 2 minutes, trade time. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, we have 6 seconds towards the end of this trade. And as you can see, guys, we make a very good amount of money right here. We make a very good money right here, guys. So the basic thing you need to consider anytime you're trading is that you must be able to identify your area of support level and also area of resistance level. When you're able to identify that, then you can be able to identify a reversal candlestick. It could be a morning star, it could be an evening star, it could be a doji or bearish or a bullish engulfing candlestick. You must be able to identify your reversal candlestick. That will really help you to be on a very good trade. And I do advise you to use a higher time frame, probably 5 minutes time frame. That will really help you to have an edge in the market. I hope you're getting it right. I don't want this particular video to be too long. That's the reasons why I'm actually using 2 minutes. We're expecting the market to move up to this particular level, and from here the market can actually bounce back to the support level, or if there are any change of character, we can actually have it from there. I hope you're getting it. These are things you need to put into consideration anytime you're trading, so that you can actually be on a very good win. I hope you're getting it, guys. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you find a very good opportunity for a sell trade in the market. I'm going to be entering a sell trade opportunity right at this particular level, guys. So the first thing we consider right here is the double top right here. You can see we have a double top right at this particular level. The first thing we consider is that the market is actually coming just in an upward direction. And what do we see next? The market suddenly reverses down to this particular point. It moves back to this particular level right here, and before you know, we're expecting the market to come towards either this particular zone or down to this particular areas. I hope you're getting it right. So these are the key things we considered in the market before we actually take a trade. So guys, another thing we also saw right here is an engulfing candlestick. This is also a reversal candlestick right here, guys. It's an engulfing candlestick patterns, which also gives us a very good indication that the market is going towards a downside direction. And also guys, this double top right here functions as a resistance level right here, guys. You can see the market bounced on this particular level more than one time. It bounced right here, it rejected, it bounced right at this particular level, it auto rejected. So we're expecting the market to actually goes down to either this particular zone, this zone, or this particular zone. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, anytime you're trading this particular strategy, I do advise you to use a higher time frame. You can use 3 minutes, you can use 5 minutes. It all depends on the one that really works for you. I'm actually using 2 minutes because I don't want this video to be too long. You can also use 2 minutes, as I'm actually using. All is just for you to actually try out the best one that actually works for you. I hope you're getting it right. So right here you can see at this particular zone the market rejected right here, and we have 7 seconds to go. Let's see how the trade will turn out to be. Right here, guys, we actually make money right at this particular level, guys. We make money right here. That's the reason I always advise you can use a higher time frame. You can use, in fact, variably different time frame to really know which one that really works for you guys. You can use different time frame. And right here, what the market does right here is that it came right here, it got rejected up to this particular zone, it got right to this particular level, it got rejected right here, and you can see So this particular level, we can actually call it a support and a resistance level. Let me draw it out for you. This particular zone, we can actually now call this the resistance level, and we can now call this the support level right here. You can see the market move to this particular level. It got rejected right here. It's moved down right here. It got rejected also right here, and the high tendency that the market will actually move down to this particular level. So you need to be very patient to identify it and know how to really enter a trade. This is also in trading, no one will teach you everything. You must be able to figure out things yourself in order to know which one that really works better for you. I hope you're getting it right. So you can just try out different time. You can try out 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just try variable time, guys. No one is here to spoon food anybody, but you must be able to try out a particular strategy with different time frames to really know the best time that actually works for you. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market for my last trade. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you find a good opportunity for a buy trade right here. Let's enter a buy trade opportunity right at this particular level. So the reasons why we're entering a buy trade right here, guys, is pretty much simple. Let me actually draw it out for you guys to see. So the first thing we need to identify is our support level. You can see this is actually our support level right here. So use S as a representation of our support level. The next thing we need to also identify is our resistance level. This area would actually serve as our resistance zone right at this particular level. So what happens here is that the market actually comes back to this particular level as a support. It moves back to this particular zone. So the market comes back to this particular zone again, and we're expecting the market to either come back to this particular zone or move up to this particular zone. These are the two options we have right here. Market to reject back to this zone or back to this upper zone right here. So this area still amount to be our resistance level. I hope you're getting it right. Another thing we also considered right here is the formation of our morning star right here. We have a morning star formation right at this particular level. This is also a very good indication we also saw right here for us to actually enter a buy trade, guys. So basically you can see our support level have been hit, and also we have a very good reversal in the market. I hope you're getting it. You must be able to also consider the strength of your candlestick, and basically your candlestick reversal formation. That is one thing you need to also put into consideration before you enter a buy trade or probably a sell trade. You need to consider all these things in place. I hope you're getting it right. And also you can see the market actually breaks this level. It breaks this particular level again, and we are actually on a very good profit. And also guys, you can also observe that this particular candlestick formations also form a double bottom, which also gives us a very good indication to enter a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, before you actually enter a trade, you need to put three things into considerations. The first thing is that you must be able to either identify your area of support level and area of resistance level, guys. The next thing for you to also consider again is that in the case of a resistance level, you must be able to identify probably a double top giving you a very good indication to actually sell, or a double bottom giving you a very good indication to buy in the market. And not only that, guys, you also need to consider your reversal candlestick. You must be able to confirm your reversal candlestick, giving you another strong indication for you to actually enter a trade. I hope you're getting it right. All those things, you need to put them into consideration before you place your trade. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this particular video. This video has been a very stressful video because I need to wait for a longer period of time for my setups to meet before I actually place a trade. With this particular video creation, it took me over 2 hours to actually record this particular video. That's the reasons why I mostly don't do this particular video, because it actually takes enough time. I only offer these particular videos on my classes. So if you really appreciate this effort I've put into this particular video, do ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Do not forget to share these videos to your loved ones so they can also learn what you are learning in this particular channel. So guys, I want you guys to try out this particular strategy and let me know your experience with this particular strategy in the comment section. Till I see you again in another video, keep trading and bye for now.